Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Chemistry Dojo. Today we will go through a question under the topic of basic solution. The question is as follows. A certain weak monobasic solution with concentration of 2 times 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per dm cube shows pH of 11.6. Calculate its base dissociation constant. First, we can represent this monobasic solution as B. The pOH of this solution is therefore 14 minus pH or 14 minus 11.6, which is equal to 2.4. Concentration of hydroxide ion is defined as 10 to the power of minus pOH or 10 to the power of minus 2.4. And in this case, 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3. We can then construct initial change and equilibrium diagram in which B in water will partially dissociate to form hydroxide ion and pH plus ion. Initial concentration of B is 0.02 and a small fraction of it, denoted as minus 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3, will dissociate on the right hand side here to form plus 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3 for each hydroxide and pH plus ion. At equilibrium, we will have 0.016 for P and 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3 for each hydroxide and pH plus ion. We can construct equilibrium constant as hydroxide ion multiplied with pH plus ion divided by B concentration. By substituting all this value, we will obtain 1 times 10 to the power of minus 3, and that is the answer to this question. I hope this video can assist you in learning chemistry concept. Please give a like to this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.